Hey guys.
Hi. So I'm back again today, doing another short video. My last video, you guys will see I did a Tokyo treat box, and today I'm going to show you one of the things that came in it that would be a separate video. So here it is. It is a bubble tea, milk tea DIY kit. So in the booklet, they do give you the instructions right here in English of how to do it. So all you need other than the actual kit is hot water. So we take the little thing out of here. So it comes in this plastic thing. You take the top off. It comes with the straw, the matcha powder mix.
I love matcha.
Yeah, matcha is really good. Matcha is green tea for anybody that may not know what matcha is. And these are what the boba balls come in. So as you see, there's lines right here. If you want to have iced, you fill it up to here with water. And if you want it hot, you just fill it all the way up there. So I'm going to do ice today. Because it's hot outside and don't really want to drink hot water. So I'm going to go get some ice and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the boba packet and we're going to...
And we're back.
We're going to put the boba mix in first. So
I didn't know those come dried.
yeah, so it looks like that in the bag. So we're gonna pour that right in.
I love tapioca.
Yeah.
Like
It looks like chocolate chips.
Was it
Almost. I don't really smell anything. I don't know.
It
Alright.
has a dried smell to it.
Yeah. You want to do this?
It doesn't smell bad though.
And we're gonna put that in the cup and we're gonna put the powder in the cup.
I have to
Make sure not to
I have to be
spill
careful. So it's just literally
Powder.
green powder that I didn't spill just now.
Alright. So once you have
Green tea.
everything there, you're gonna fill it up again to
We want ice, so we want
the
that
ice
first
line. So let's just pour that hot water in.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna take the giant spoon.
No, straw.
Or straw, sorry.
It's
And
a
you're
spoon
gonna-
right now.
Yeah, it's a spoon and a straw.
Mixy mixy.
And you're supposed to just let it sit for 5 minutes until everything is dissolved. So we're gonna let that sit for 5 minutes and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes
I'm excited.
and this is what it looks like so far without the ice. So I just have a cup of ice here. We're just gonna pour that in. Carefully, try not to splash it.
Oh, perfect.
Alright. Just give that a little mix again. Now you have your little top that you can put on. And you put your straw right in. And they do say for best results for the tapioca balls to come up, to make sure that your straw is straight up, don't bend it. So that's what it looks like, the finished product. So we're going to give it a taste, and see how it is.
She got one.
It's definitely green tea. I feel like they're a little bit chewier than other bobas that I've had. I feel like it needs to sit more than 5 minutes, to be honest. It's not the greatest tasting milk tea I've had.
The green tea tastes good. It tastes like green tea. You really can't mess up green tea.
Yeah, it's just the boba part is it's still hard, kind of.
It's very hard and it's flavorless.
Yeah, there's no flavor to it. So I would give this like a 3 out of 10.
Yeah.
We're basing
3.
on, yeah.
I might give it like a 3.5 just because I like green tea.
Yeah, I like
the green tea flavor.
Yeah,
is strong.
I love the
It's
green
good.
tea. It's just the boba messes it up because it's not. I feel like this needs to sit for like.
It has no gelatinous.
Yeah. So anyway, it was glad to try. Definitely wouldn't do it again. I'd rather just go to the store and buy
I think we're
bubble
gonna
tea.
do that.
I think we're gonna go
yeah.
do that and do like a comparison video.
Yeah,
because that was not it.
No.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching.
And thanks for having me.
And thanks to my sister for being in this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.